Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions faster than you can say, clean house. Today, we have a battle of the bots. In the left corner, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop, or as I like to call it, the Roomba 2.0. And in the right corner, we have the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner, aka ROPVACNIC S1. Let's dive into this vacuum showdown. Let's start with the most painful part of shopping: your wallet. The Roomba 2.0 comes in at a hefty $549. That's right, folks, for the price of a small island vacation, you can have a robot that vacuums and mops. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC S1 is a more wallet-friendly $299. With that price difference, you could buy yourself a second ROPVACNIC and still have money left for pizza. Now, let's talk dirt and grime. The Roomba 2.0 boasts a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that avoid getting tangled with pet hair. So if you have a dog that sheds like it's trying to clone itself, this might be your new best friend. It also detects dirtier areas and goes all out on them like a teenager with a bag of chips. On the flip side, the ROPVACNIC S1 has 4,000 pascals of powerful suction. That's like having a mini tornado cleaning your floor. It also has a 3-point cleaning system to ensure no crumb is left behind. So if you've got kids who treat your home like a crumb-dropping contest, this one's for you. Moving on to mopping, because why stop at just vacuuming? The Roomba 2.0 converts into a mop with the switch of a bin. It even comes with a specialized microfiber pad to tackle footprints, dirt, and dust. So it's basically a janitor in a robot suit. ROPVACNIC S1 isn't lagging behind either. It features electronically controlled mopping technology with a high-capacity water tank. 4 stages of water adjustment, madame. Wee! It can handle various stains and keep your floors spotless. Now, let's talk smart features. The Roomba 2.0 learns your home and creates an imprint smart map, so you can tell it to clean specific rooms via Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. It probably knows your home better than you do. Complete control at your fingertips with the iRobot Home app. It's like having a butler who lives in your phone. ROPVACNIC S1 also brings its A game with multiple cleaning modes and personalized settings via a smartphone app. You can start your cleaning while binging Netflix. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can boss it around just like the Roomba. Pet owners, this one's for you. The Roomba 2.0 has those magical dual multi-surface rubber brushes to avoid getting tangled with pet hair. No more pulling out clumps of fur like you're grooming Chewbacca. ROPVACNIC S1 takes a different approach with its no entanglement design and dual rotating electric side brushes. It's designed to sweep up pet hair more efficiently. So whether your pet is a shedding machine or a fur tornado, both of these vacuums have got you covered. Reviewers have mixed feelings about both products. The Roomba 2.0 is praised for its advanced cleaning capabilities, especially in homes with pets, but some users have faced issues with mapping and connectivity. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC S1 receives high marks for its powerful suction and value for money, though its mopping capabilities are seen as less impressive. So there you have it, folks. The Roomba 2.0, with its high-tech features and self-emptying bin, is perfect for those who want a hands-free, hassle-free cleaning experience and don't mind shelling out the big bucks. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC S1 offers powerful suction and versatile cleaning modes at a more budget-friendly price. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our smart shopping tips. Until next time, remember, buy smart, live smart. Product links are in the description.